Hi guys, this short video about the most common problem of this Ryobi generator. And I think you will get this problem practically immediately. After a few hours of running, you will see that rope is damaged, like this. If you see it, well, let me bring camera closer to generator, like this. This is the problem. It's about 10 inches from the handle. And this problem is inside of the recoil starter, because it's not very well designed. And if the rope breaks, you will need to buy a new starter online. It's about $30. And you have to spend at least a couple of hours to replace it. Because generator looks nice, right? It looks very nice. But these days, unfortunately, overly smarter engineers use very smart software. And as a result, this plastic panel is inserted inside of this panel. They are screwed together to the next panel, etc., and so on. And to get to the coil, to get to the starter, to unscrew 4 bolts, we have to remove this panel, we have to unscrew these bolts, we have to remove this panel, we have to remove handles, we have to remove this top panel, we have to remove this wheel, to pull out axle, to remove this panel. So we have to remove practically all panels around this generator and a few parts inside of generator just to get 4 bolts. So please guys, don't let this problem grow. It's a very important problem. Every Ryobi generator has this problem. And you can find few videos on YouTube when people replace this rope, replace the starter inside, and it's really wasting of time. And now how to fix it. As you see, I use this tape, just regular tape. I cover rope maybe 4 to 5 times, no more. And this tape will work for about 200–300 hours of running. Of course, this is permanent decision, right? Permanent solution. But it works and it's very easy to fix. Like this. Just remove old tape carefully. Probably we can do it without scissors. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's enough. And 6, like this. Okay, this is temporary way, but now we can forget about this problem for 200 hours at least. And I would like to ask you guys, probably you can find another permanent solution how to fix this problem. I don't know yet, no, maybe we can use some heat shrink tubing here and use lighter very carefully along the rope. I don't know yet, probably it will work better than my tape, of course. But anyway, guys, if you found some good solution for this problem, please leave message below for next viewers and for me also, because in few months I have to renew this tape. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.